Hey Aries, welcome to the channel. This is going to be your reading for Aries soulmates. All that you need to know about your person from now until the end of the month. Their feelings, intentions, what action are they willing to take versus what are they going to be doing, and the possible near outcome. Okay, so for Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, let's begin. First three cards for you, and then you move to your person. Right now, many of you guys could be holding back, okay, not really wanting to invest into this connection, but not really wanting to give up as well. Top card we have is Seven of Pentacles, which speaks about you been waiting very patiently for this person to change or for this person to approach. If it's not about the person, then for some financial changes maybe, bottom card with Five of Swords, you guys have always been fighting. You guys both have been equally giving in terms of your ego. Okay, you guys are both trying to play mind games, manipulating. It's been happening on both sides, majorly on theirs, but mind you, even you've been contributing. Okay, one more card in terms of what's coming up for Aries. With Nine of Cups, I do feel like for many of you, if things haven't been, really well for you emotionally, then I see out of nowhere you feeling that peace again, that happiness again. What's going to change, Spirit? What's going to be the major shift? The Temperance card for many of you, someone who has been long due, you've been waiting on, that person could approach you and offer to compromise or possibly mend ways, but something is going to happen that's going to make you feel good again. Okay, one more card. What else do we see coming up for Aries? With the World card for many of you, I believe that a cycle in your life which was long due waiting is finally going to come to full circle. It's not ending, but it's going to come to a full circle. So you guys might get some bits of closure as well. So in terms of relationship, what is to come for Aries? So let's, in terms of relationship, however, things have been quite on and off, but I see a lot of changes coming in, good and bad. So changes are definitely going to be coming in the picture. With Empress card, I see it being more good than bad for sure. In terms of how is your person thinking about you, I see major shifts in your connection. Okay, how is your person thinking about you? We have the Chariot card, which speaks about your person wanting to come forward, wanting to take that step forward towards you. Some of you, if this person lives at a long distance with the world and the Chariot, then this person might want to travel in order to see you. They want to put in that effort this time. One more card in terms of their energy towards you. Okay, this person wants to mend ways with you, possibly help you get over the past betrayal or past whatever they have put you through. They are willing to come forward and offer that long due apology. Okay, one more card in terms of how do they think about you. With Eight of Swords, this person is still stuck on you, regardless if they were in another connection or not. I still see this person heavily thinking about you. In terms of their intentions, intention is to offer you something, like substantial, something solid. Okay, with Three of Pentacles, I also see them having intentions of working things out or partnering up with you in terms of where things could be going. With Page of Wands, I definitely see this person wanting to initiate conversation. If you've been waiting, then they are definitely coming in. If you have kept your door open, with the Queen of Wands, this person is having solid intentions of putting in effort this time, putting in that work as well, efforts, work, whatever you call it. One more card. For now, what are their honest feelings for Aries? For now, with Queen of Swords, this person has always been wearing a mask. They have never been someone who's been very emotional or sensitive or very much emotionally available. Okay, top card we have is Eight of Pentacles. Regardless of how they feel and how they pretend, I still see this person wanting to work things out with you. In terms of their heart space, some of you guys were dealing with a air sign who was confused between you and someone else. They had an option for sure. Okay, one more card. But mind you, they do have feelings for you. It's just that they messed up in the past. They were giving into someone else or something else. Mind you, third party can be anything. It can be a work situation, family situation, or a lover. Okay. With two of cups, this person right now is still opening up to their feelings. They still have to remove their mask. Once they do, I see this connection moving forward. But there are very good chances that you guys will be in talking terms and things are going to move in a positive direction or forward direction. uh, I do see this person being in love with you in the coming weeks. Right now they're still wanting to stay open. Okay. In terms of their hate space, they have decided of coming forward and having a relationship with you. In terms of where things are going, yeah, this person is going to take that leap of faith towards you. In terms of what do they want to offer versus what can they offer, they want to offer you something a small, but they want to keep investing. At the same time, this person might want to take their own sweet time. Yes, they'll invest, but one step at a time. They won't directly jump back to you. Yes, they're taking that leap of faith, but this person is a very practical individual. They are not someone who's very very sensitive or very very emotionally available. Rather, this person came off very detached and boring at one time. Okay. In terms of what can they offer, however, they can offer you everything you're wanting, but they're still trying to be a miser. They're coming off with bits and pieces. Okay. So for now, where do you see this connection going till the end of this month? I very much feel like you guys have been waiting on this for a long time, and within a next couple of days, this person will start putting in the efforts. However, if you do not reciprocate, it remains stagnant. But if you do, it is going to move forward. There's a very good chance that by end of the month or by early next month, this connection is going to be on a very good level. Okay, so let's take love messages for you guys. I'll contact you soon. That's one. Second message we have is walking away from you is the hardest thing I have ever done. It's my biggest regret. So they regret walking away from you. Second message we have here. I need more time, patience. So this person definitely needs more time. I mean, they've been waiting for a long time to make that move. Okay. I never meant to hurt you. That is the last message for you guys. So if it resonated, darling, kindly hit the like button. Do let me know in the comment section. If you're new to the channel, please do subscribe. If you like what I'm doing and if you want a personal reading, do reach out on the website and book one for yourself. Thank you so much for coming and putting the time to watch this video. I hope to see you guys soon. Cheers. Thank you so much.